Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Confirm the venue accepts tabs and have your card or app ready. Once done, state your intent clearly and give a name or table number so staff can log the tab. You're doing this under pressure, so speak firmly and slowly to avoid misunderstandings. Make sure the server repeats the name and any limits, and ask how they close tabs, per person or whole table, because that affects later payment and accountability. Once the tab is open, take control of the middle steps by confirming practical details. Ask for the tab number, confirm spending or time limits, and note how they track orders. Under pressure, request that the server send interim receipts or announcements so you can monitor totals. Make sure to tell companions how you'll settle later and clarify whether tips are added automatically. These checks prevent surprises and let you continue with confidence while the tab grows. To finish, ask for the final bill and scan every line item carefully. Once done, present your payment and specify any splits. If a card declines or the total exceeds expectations, switch to backup payment immediately and communicate the change to staff. If charges are wrong or missing, escalate calmly to the manager and show receipts or timestamps as proof. A single troubleshooting tip: if under pressure, pause and ask for a moment to verify.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.